drove back, got my gear.
Bullshit, because I saw all of you got taken out from that spot, and what you're telling me that you just happened to have spawned in that exact spot to kill me.
The funny thing is that Griff got a lucky spawn just north on Luke Jan.
Yeah, he got a lucky spawn. They all say that.
Brayden's not a freaking hacker, dude.
I sense butthurt in the air.
No, it's not. They're admins. Hello.
It's not admin fees, it's actually spawned near the...
Oh, would you look at that? Someone believes me as well. Nice teleporting behind my friend. It's all on record as well, by the way.
Send me the videos. I'd love to see us hacking and teleporting, abusing our admin powers. That we don't even have.
That's okay. We got it on record. We'll let you know when it's up on YouTube.
Alright, cool. I'd love to see it. Whoa! Everyone get down, get down.